guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is new system test 5. I have the same pull stations, as you can see. Other one is over there, but I just changed the notification appliances. So, up here we have my Simplex True Alert. It's on 15 candela and it's on continuous. System sensor L series. And a P2R. And then you might have seen it already, Gentex Commander 3. And the Kitty 278, or not 270, good lord. I'm getting everything mixed up, I don't know why. Maybe I'm having a stroke. Alright, so let's pull the fire alarm, but before we do that, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, and if you're sensitive to strobe lights, please do not watch this video. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Just gonna go take a picture of that device, alright? And let's pull this one. Alright, and we'll test the i3 in my bedroom. Alright, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I just said video way too much there. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.